Do you wake up in the morning and feel like your body needs a few minutes just to get going? Maybe your knees feel tight when you stand up, or your hips ache when you take those first few steps. Maybe your back feels locked and you think to yourself, I used to move so much easier than this. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. In fact, studies show that nearly 70% of adults over 65 experience some form of daily stiffness or joint discomfort. But here's the surprising part: most of that stiffness isn't permanent. It's not something you just have to live with. What if I told you that just 4 simple movements done for about 5 minutes each morning could help you feel lighter, move easier, and reduce pain throughout your day? No gym, no expensive equipment, just you, a chair if you need it, and a few gentle exercises that actually work. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through these 4 daily mobility moves, step by step, slowly and safely. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple routine you can start tomorrow morning. So let's get started. Before we jump into the exercises, let's take a moment to understand why our bodies feel stiffer as we get older. And don't worry, I'll keep this simple and clear. As we age, a few natural things happen. First, our muscles lose a bit of their strength and flexibility. Scientists call this sarcopenia, but all it really means is that if we don't use our muscles regularly, they start to shrink and stiffen up. Second, the fluid in our joints, the cushioning that helps everything move smoothly, starts to decrease. That's why your knees or hips might feel creaky in the morning. It's like a door hinge that needs a little oil. Third, our connective tissues, the tendons and ligaments that hold everything together, become less elastic. They tighten up, especially if we've been sitting or lying down for a long time. That's why mornings can feel so stiff. But here's the good news: your body is designed to move. And when you give it gentle, consistent movement, it responds beautifully. Even small, simple exercises send signals to your muscles and joints that say, hey, we're still active. Let's stay loose and strong. You don't need to run marathons or lift heavy weights. You just need to move with intention. And that's exactly what these 4 exercises are going to help you do. They're designed specifically for seniors, gentle, safe, and incredibly effective. Now, before we continue, I want to hear from you. Where do you feel the most stiffness in your body? Is it your knees, your hips, maybe your lower back or shoulders? Go ahead and type it in the comments right now. Just one word: knees, hips, back, shoulders, whatever it is. I read every single comment, and it helps me create more videos that are useful for you. And if you're already feeling hopeful about what's coming next, type yes so I know you're with me. This is your community. We're all here working on staying strong, mobile, and independent together. Okay, let's keep going. Before we start moving, I want to make sure you feel safe and confident. These exercises are gentle, but your safety always comes first. First, if you have a chair nearby, keep it close. You can use it for balance or support anytime you need it. There's no shame in that. It's actually smart. Second, move slowly. There's no rush. These aren't about speed or how far you can stretch. They're about waking up your body gently and helping it feel good. Third, breathe. I'll remind you throughout, but try to take slow, steady breaths. Don't hold your breath. Breathing helps your muscles relax and makes everything easier. And finally, listen to your body. If something feels painful, not just a gentle stretch, but actual pain, ease up or skip that movement for today. Discomfort is okay. Pain is not. If you have any serious medical conditions, recent surgeries, or you're unsure about anything, please check with your doctor before trying new exercises. We want you healthy and safe. All right, let's get into the first movement. Grab your chair if you need it, and let's start with something simple but powerful. Our first exercise is called the ankle loosener. Now you might be thinking, why start with my ankles? Here, SY, your ankles are the foundation of every step you take. When they're stiff, your balance suffers, your knees compensate, and even your hips and back can start to ache. Loosening your ankles helps everything above them move better. This exercise improves your walking stability, reduces your fall risk, and helps you feel more confident on your feet. Let's do it together. Step 1, sit comfortably in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. If you prefer to stand, that's fine too, just hold onto the back of the chair for support. Step 2, lift your right foot just a couple of inches off the floor. Keep your knee relaxed. Step 3, slowly rotate your ankle in a circle. Imagine you're drawing a circle with your big toe. Go clockwise first, nice and slow. Let your ankle move through its full range of motion. You might hear a little crackle or pop. That's okay. That's just your joint waking up. Do about 5 circles clockwise. Then switch directions and do 5 circles counterclockwise. Step 4, now switch to your left foot and repeat. Common mistake to avoid: don't rush. Slow circles are more effective than fast ones. You're not trying to win a race, you're trying to wake up those joints. Progression option: if this feels easy, try pointing your toes down, then flexing them up toward your shin between each circle. This adds a little extra stretch to your calves and shins. Do this every morning, and within a week, you'll notice your ankles feel more flexible and your balance feels steadier. Trust me, it's a small move with big results. All right, let's move up to the hips. This next exercise is called the hip circle opener, and it's one of my favorites because it feels so good. Tight hips are one of the most common complaints I hear from seniors. And when your hips are tight, everything else suffers, your lower back, your knees, even your posture. This movement helps loosen your hip joints, reduces pressure on your lower back, and makes everyday activities like sitting down, standing up, and climbing stairs so much easier. Step 1. Stay seated in your chair. Sit up nice and tall, but don't strain. Just lengthen your spine a bit. Step 2. Lift your right knee up toward your chest, just a few inches. If you need to, you can use your hands to gently support your shin. Step 3. Now slowly move your knee in a small circle. You're circling your entire hip joint. Go clockwise first. Imagine your hip socket is a ball joint and you're oiling it up with movement. Nice and slow. Breathe. Do about 5 circles clockwise, then switch directions and do 5 counterclockwise. Step 4. Lower your right leg and switch to your left leg. Repeat. Common mistake, don't hunch forward. Keep your chest lifted and your core gently engaged. This protects your lower back. Chair variation. If lifting your knee is too difficult, just slide your foot in small circles on the floor while keeping your heel down. You'll still get hip movement. Progression. If this feels easy, try lifting your knee a little higher or pause at the top and hold for a breath before circling. This exercise is like giving your hips a gentle massage from the inside. Do it daily and you'll feel more freedom in your movement. Now let's work on your upper back and posture. This exercise is called the thoracic twist, and it's perfect for anyone who spends time sitting, whether that's watching TV, reading, or just relaxing. When we sit for long periods, our upper back and shoulders tend to round forward. This can cause stiffness, shoulder pain, and even make it harder to breathe deeply. The thoracic twist gently opens up your chest, releases tension in your upper back, and helps you stand taller. Step 1. Sit up tall in your chair. Place your feet flat on the floor about hip width apart. Rest your hands gently on your thighs or let them hang by your sides. Step 2. Take a deep breath in. As you breathe in, imagine your spine growing a little taller. Step 3. As you breathe out, slowly turn your upper body to the right. Your hips stay facing forward, only your torso twists. Let your head and shoulders rotate together. You can place your left hand on the outside of your right thigh for a gentle assist, and your right hand can rest on the back of the chair. Hold this twist for 3 slow breaths. Feel the stretch across your chest and between your shoulder blades. Step 4. Slowly return to center. Take a breath. Then twist to the left side and hold for 3 breaths. Common mistake, don't force the twist. Let your breath guide you deeper into the stretch naturally. No yanking or jerking. Chair variation. If you can't twist much, that's okay. Even a small rotation helps. Just go as far as feels comfortable. Progression. To deepen the stretch, try looking over your shoulder in the direction of your twist. This movement helps you breathe better, reduces upper back pain, and improves your posture. It's a simple way to feel taller and more open. All right, here's our 4th and final exercise, and this one is a game changer. It's called the chair-assisted squat or sit to stand. This is a functional strength move, which means it directly helps you with real-life activities, like getting out of bed, standing up from a chair, or climbing stairs. This exercise strengthens your legs, glutes, and core. It also improves your balance and builds confidence in your ability to move independently. Let's walk through it together, step by step. Step 1. Sit toward the front edge of your chair, not all the way back. Your feet should be flat on the floor, about hip width apart. Your knees should be roughly over your ankles. Step 2. Bring your hands together in front of your chest or let them rest lightly on your thighs. If you need extra support, you can place your hands on the armrests or the seat of the chair. Step 3. Take a breath in. As you breathe out, lean slightly forward from your hips, not your back. Imagine your nose moving toward your toes. This shifts your weight forward. Step 4. Press through your heels and slowly stand up. Use your leg muscles, your thighs and glutes to lift yourself. If you need a little push from your hands, that's okay. We're building strength. Step 5. Once you're standing, pause for a moment. Stand tall, then slowly lower yourself back down to the chair with control. Don't just drop down, lower with intention. That's 1 repetition. Try to do 5 to 10 repetitions, depending on how you feel. Common mistake, don't let your knees cave inward. Keep them tracking over your toes. And don't hold your breath. Keep breathing steadily. Easier variation. If standing all the way up is too hard right now, just practice the lifting motion. Lean forward, press through your heels, and lift your hips a few inches off the seat. That's still building strength. Progression. Once this feels easier, try doing it without using your hands. Cross your arms over your chest and stand using only your legs. This exercise is one of the most important things you can do to maintain your independence. Strong legs equal a strong, confident life. All right, we've done 4 powerful movements together. Now let's have a little fun and wake up your brain and body at the same time. Here's your challenge. I want you to tap your right hand to your left shoulder, then tap your left hand to your right knee. Then switch right hand to left knee, left hand to right shoulder. Try to do that 5 times in a row without getting mixed up. Go ahead, try it with me. Right hand, left shoulder. Left hand, right knee. Switch. Right hand, left knee. Left hand, right shoulder. Did you get a little tangled up? That's okay. That's your brain and body working together, which is exactly what we want. Coordination exercises like this help keep your mind sharp and your reflexes quick. Drop a comment below and tell me if you got all 5 or if you got a little confused. No judgment, just fun. Let's quickly recap what we just did so you can remember this routine tomorrow morning. Your 5-minute pain-free mobility plan. 1 ankle loosener, 5 circles each direction, both feet. Wakes up your ankles and improves balance. 2 hip circle opener, 5 circles each direction, both legs. Loosens your hips and releases lower back tension. 3 thoracic twist, 3 breaths each side. Opens your chest, improves posture, and releases upper back stiffness. 4 chair-assisted squat, sit to stand, 5 to 10 repetitions. Strengthens your legs and builds functional strength for daily activities. That's it. 4 simple movements, 5 minutes every single morning. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to do them all at once if you're just starting out. Just do what you can and build from there. Consistency is what matters. Even 3 days a week will make a difference. But if you can do this every morning, you'll feel the change in your body within 2 weeks. Less stiffness, easier movement, more confidence. That's what we're building here. And remember, you can always use a chair for support. There's no shame in that. We're working with our bodies, not against them. I want to take just a moment to tell you something important. You're stronger than you think. I know some days it doesn't feel that way. Some days your body feels stiff or tired or just older. I get it. But the fact that you're here watching this video, learning these movements, that tells me something about you. It tells me you haven't given up. It tells me you still want to take care of yourself. And that matters. Every single time you do one of these exercises, you're investing in your future. You're telling your body, I still care about you. I'm still here. And your body listens. It responds. It gets stronger. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep showing up. 5 minutes a day, that's all it takes. So be proud of yourself. Celebrate the small wins. Maybe today you stood up from the chair a little easier. Maybe your hips felt a little looser. Those are victories, and they add up. You've got this. I believe in you. All right, before you go, I need your help with something. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. That tells me you want more content like this. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I post new videos every week specifically for seniors who want to stay strong, mobile, and independent. Here's what I want you to do next. Drop a comment below and type the words pain-free. That's it, just pain-free. It helps the algorithm show this video to more people who need it, and it lets me know you're committed to feeling better. And save this video so you can come back to it tomorrow morning and practice again. Thank you for being here. Now go move, and I'll see you in the next video.